What is up, dolls? I hope you are having a great day or night. As you can see, this is going to be the way that I organize my makeups and get rid of things. So I hope that you will find this video helpful. Let's go ahead and get started. This is an extra step. I did get a Nomakenolife box, subscription box. And so I'm going to go ahead and get through this quickly so that I can see what makeups I have. And then I can also throw it into the organized pile. Voila! Oh, this is an absorbent microfiber glove and it helps to reduce blow drying time. Eye color palette. So pretty. Let's take a look at some of the colors. Ooh, wow, love it. Perfect. Perfect. This color. Check out the pigment. Oh my gosh, the pigment is on point. This is a hand cream. All about the hands and skin this year. Super pretty. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love the pretty color too. It's like peach pink. Smells so scrumptious. And this is grapefruit flavor. So that's Collagen Impact Facial Mask. I live for these face masks that they send me. Lip oil. See, can you see? Very nice and soft. This is a mineral powder. Really pretty colors. I like the pastel vibes that I'm feeling. Mineral powder. And it has like a little cushion. Translucent powder, so it's like white translucent powder. So these are hair clips. They look like little koala bears. I am throwing this in the giveaway, so don't forget, want to win this, you must put the word enter in the comment section below. And then the last thing is what? Hot oil steam hair cap. Never heard or tried. I'm so happy I opened that box because now I'm inspired. And let's move on to step 2. We want to get rid of all the things that I am not going to be using. 3 will be organizing them in sections and grouping them based upon the type of product it is. So let's go ahead and start with step 2. Actually, I can kind of group them too while I do this. So this is hair and mask. Face mask will go there. Like literally what? Can't even deal. So with the dried up makeup, let's go ahead and throw them out. So this is a Wet n Wild. Look how dirty that is. I don't want to know. This is not my color. Dumping that. This is like trash. This is really scary. This right here. Scary. Little palettes. This is so cute. I love the Shein palettes. I think they actually are very affordable. So embarrassed. Like, look at this. This is like, ugh. I need to wash these brushes. Oh my goodness, where would I put this? Oh, can I still use this? Let's see. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna keep the Shiseido one. I'm gonna throw that one out. This is old expired makeup. This is actually kind of cute though. I don't want this. I don't know, it's kind of hard to find. It's different. What kind of colors do they? Oh wow. What brand is this? I can't even see. I don't know, it doesn't. Huh. Oh my gosh, this smells like literally paint and crayons. Like this is old. Bah. Okay, like samples. I'm gonna keep these. How's my eyeshadow, yo? No, the eyeshadows are horrible. Time to dump. But this, I like the container, but oh snap! Yeah, I love it. Oh my gosh, this is like super old. Oh, it smells like really bad, but it's a MAC container. Does anyone know if MAC still does that recycling where if you give them 10 containers or 6 containers, then you can get like a free eyeshadow or a lipstick? It's from AliExpress, and then as soon as I got it, I'm like, no, don't trust it, throw it away. I'm gonna throw this in the giveaway. I just got this in December, so if you want also a natural matte, so that we can, since I have one here, so I have my natural, and then I can also have a doll have one of these. Here is like my sleepover bag when I go to my boyfriend's. Don't ask me. So I'm just gonna dump everything. So random. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that section because I do want my vanity to reflect the types of things and items or products that I'm gonna be using throughout the month at the very least, and also clean up the space. Okay, dolls, so I did organize it. So I just got those out. Those are like soaps and body lotions because I'm probably going to use those containers. Like, oh, this is nasty. Like old blenders, like masks, and then all like my lipsticks, face stuff, serums, eyeshadows, blushes, hand lotions, and then like foundations, concealers, and then like all my eye stuffs, and then some random like packets. Okay, I'm gonna like clean all this dirty stuff. So I got like brushes, and I got like eyeshadow cases that are like all dirty and stuff. So yeah, so far so good. Let's move on to the next thing. Let me go ahead and clean everything, and then let me get right back. Alright, so I washed the brushes and like containers, and they are all set to dry right now. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead with step 5. This is kind of my like mood. It's kind of my inspiration for my vanity. So I have some. Okay, dolls, so this did take me a minute, but I really love the way that everything looks. So as you can see, I got more whites and blues. And it just makes me feel very peaceful. So I think it's a really great space that I created. I still have like brushes that I need to wash, so it's gonna fill up there. But I got my lipsticks, a little candle. I actually got some flowers. I took it from an old Halloween costume. And I had to make it practical, so I have the things that I do use. So if you haven't seen my 2021 routine, face routine, it's all about skin for me this year. And yep, so things that I actually use. And then I got my lipsticks and eyeliners, and oh wait, yeah, in here like powder, blush. So again, more things that I actually use. And I got my eyelashes and other things. Yeah, eyelashes. This, I hate this color. It throws everything off, but it's okay. But this is like whitening for skin areas or dark areas of the skin. So I've been using this and I actually really like it. So maybe I'll do a video on like how I'm making my skin more prettier or something like that for 2021. And then these are like the eyeshadows that I will be using. And then of course foundations. And then the rest of the things. And then bronzer and then concealers. Sorry y'all, so I just realized that I have this and I got this. I think I'm gonna trade this out. Put that here. Because I like the polka dot, the black and white contrast, a little pop of color, blue and pink. So sweet. And then it pulls all the black color together. So I was like trying to figure out a way to pull everything together, and now I feel like it is complete. So the first drawer is going to be makeup, second is like face mask, and then third is just like stuff that I don't use. So here I have just the extra makeup. Yep, switch it up. And then I have here all my face masks. Can you see? Yeah. Here I just have like extra, these are like my eye contacts. The last thing I want to organize is my sleepover bag. So when I go to my boyfriend's house, then I just can easily bring it with me. So in this bag, I'm going to go ahead and put like some kind of body lotion. So it's very light lotion. I have just like jelly to stay hydrated, so I can put this all over my body as well, my face. And if my hair is really dry, I can put this in my hair. Oopsie. And then I have a little compact mirror. Then I have like a little powder. Then I have my little traveler size moisture mist spray, feminine hygiene products, some face wipes, some Alka-Seltzer because you never know when you're feeling congested. And then I have this container here. So this is a just plain container. I love it to put eyelashes in. And then believe it or not, whatever like packets or like free samples that I get, like free like serum foundation packet. I have a foot cream, face serums, and things like that. So yeah, I just keep that in there. And then I have like a little face primer to have like a little glow. So Victoria perfume, roll perfume. This is an eyebrow pencil. You got to have your brows on. And this is a mini traveler Kat Von D eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. So I have that. Then I have some, I'm just gonna stick this in here. This is a hair tie. And then I'm going to actually pack face mask, hand lotion, lash glue. So I have lashes and eyeliner, and then I will just do like whatever season. I'll do a like lip color, and then I have a travel size mascara that I'm going to be putting in there. And then I just have like, I have a color gloss. And then I didn't use this yet, and I want to use this. This is a Chupa Chups, so it smells really yummy. It like grape, so you know, gotta stay a little kissable. So this is probably gonna be like my winter, and then I'll change it out as the seasons change or while I'm into other things. But really, I have the basics. I have like face stuff. I have like lashes, eyeliner, which is always like a must. I have an eyebrow. I have gloss and some colored lip stain or gloss. And then I have packets of like concealers and foundations, serums, and then I also have like powder. Oh yeah, feminine hygiene stuff, bronzer stick. I'll just add that in there because this is my mood. I'm kind of feeling blue, you know, I'm feeling like a little blue. I got everything organized for the first part of 2021. All right, dolls, so thank you so much for coming through this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you to, you know, maybe freshen up and spruce up your makeup or closet area. And these are the giveaways for January so far. So we got cute clips. Got a basic eyeshadow palette, and we got some lashes. So yeah, if you want to, details again are in the description box below. If you want to be entered, please don't forget to subscribe. In fact, go ahead and take care of that right now. Happy New Year. Let's have a sparkling one. But no, really, I appreciate each and every one of you dolls. I do appreciate, I read each and every one of your comments. And again, if you're into like girly girl, like vlogs and beauty and fashion and relationships stuffs, have a wonderful day or night. Bye dolls!